Hello to all my viewers and subscribers. As you can see, it's another beautiful sunshiny day in paradise. Heather here from Camping and Metal Detecting Australia. I also run a Facebook group for metal detectors, and I asked all my people, what is the best way to clean a bottle? I don't have many bottles, but as you can see, pulling them out of the ground, they're in quite bad shape. This has been washed with soap water, and I've tried Windex. What I'm going to do for you today is demonstrate the top 3 methods people recommended. One being Denture Tablets. The second one, toilet bowl and shower cleaner. And the third one, CLR. So I'm going to try all 3 of them. You'll get to watch it all. We'll see how they perform, and you can pick the one that works best for you. Let's go have a look at my bottles now. We have our CLR and some really badly mineralized and scratched up bottles. We have our shower power cleaner and some dirty bottles, some mineralized bottles. Then our denture cleaner, again heavily mineralized, and at least one that I just wasn't able to get anything in there to clean it with. So this is the before. I'm going to demo for you each one of these cleaners separately. We're going to let them soak overnight, and then we will see after. Stay tuned. All right, what I'm going to do here, as was directed to me, is drop 1 denture tablet in the large bottle and 1 in the small bottle, which of course I had to break up to get it to fit inside. Then, because I also want to clean the outside, in a bucket this size, I'm going to drop 2 denture tablets. In there, and I'm going to fill these bottles with warm water and fill this bucket with warm water. Then I'm going to let them sit overnight. So we'll compare how clean or not clean these get. Good morning, everyone. Here is the after of the denture tablets. The glass looks a bit clearer, didn't get everything out. What I'm going to do is rinse these, dry them, take a still photo so we can compare the before and after and rate these denture tablets. Here we have the after for the denture tablets, which is by far the cheapest way to go, $3.50 for 48 tablets. And it's done a really good job. Bottles are drying. I will try the tub tile bathroom cleaner on these 2 glasses. I'm going to spray them in the sink, give them a scrub, and show you what they look like after I rinse them. These ones do not have to sit overnight. Well, here we have the after on the bathroom tub and tile cleaner. Actually hasn't done a bad job at all. You really need a brush to get that red earth of Australia out of this bottle. And I don't have anything small enough to fit in there. Now for the CLR. I am going to let this soak overnight just like I did the Denture Tablets, and I'm going to go with a 50-50 mix. They're all going to sit in the bucket overnight so that the inside and outside both gets cleaned. The last product being tested in this video is the CLR. They have been soaking overnight, and what I'm going to do now is rinse them, dry them, and then I'll take a still photo so you can compare the before and after. Here we have the CLR after. In conclusion, I'm going to say that my pick would be the Denture Tablets for $3.50 for 48 of them. They clean just as well as the more expensive products did.